everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of December 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. I've already pulled out the cards, so I have included oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's find out what is heading towards you guys for the month of December. Let's start with the tarot first, and then we're going to include the oracle cards. Let's see what is coming up for Capricorns. Queen of Wands paired up with Page of Wands and Three of Wands. I really do see you. It seems like, by the way, the energies could be reversed as well, so just be mindful of that. It seems like, you really want something with someone. And you are taking baby steps towards that one person. Now, the issue here is basically you really want something stable, beautiful with that one person. But you don't have the courage enough to go for it straight away. Like, I feel like, you are going to pretend, you are going to play some games, and then only you are going to express. But the issue here is, I feel like, somehow with this attitude of yours, where you are trying to keep it cool, where you are trying to kind of, keep it fun, you might miss the opportunity of taking this towards something stable, towards something beautiful. And maybe because of the attitude that you would be showing to a specific someone, maybe that person is going to feel like maybe you're not interested, and they would maybe stop showing much interest in you, pull themselves away from you, and then you're going to be waiting on for them, then you're going to be waiting on for them to show up again. So it can happen for you, for those of you who are single as well. So don't show tantrums in that area of your life. If somebody approaches you and you really like that one person, go ahead with that. Don't rule drama. Maybe the person that is going to come in your life, or the person who could be the potential next lover, maybe they don't like dramas. So just be mindful of that, because I feel like somebody not taking the right steps forward is going to have a strong chance of losing what they really want. For some of you, maybe there is going to be a person coming in your life, somebody from the past could be the case, somebody specific that you always wanted maybe. But I do see that with that attitude, you have a strong chance of losing that one person again. Maybe they are going to come, and as you hold yourself back from them, they might leave you again. They might just walk out of your life again, and then you're going to be like waiting on for them to come back. So it's not a good situation that way. So just be mindful. If you are up for something, go ahead with that. Don't pretend, don't act as if you don't want it. Just go, express, and see how it goes. Don't hold yourself back out of your fear, or just that you don't want to sound maybe needy or something. Maybe you're gonna act as if you don't want them as much as they want, but in actuality you do want them more than they want actually. So that's what I'm picking up. Let's see the clarifiers here. Let's see what is coming up for you in the month of December. Let's see. The energies could be reversed, by the way, just be mindful. Two of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. You really want to start that. You really want to have that connection. Like I said, you are juggling. Shall I be a certain way? Shall I hold myself back, or shall I just go and be my true self? So you're gonna be like struggling with that as you enter into the month of December, is what I'm picking up. And I do see that you really want something stable with that one person, but at the same time you are not ready to put your effort into it. You feel like you are not prepared yet, and in actuality all you need to do is give your 50% to it, and the other person is going to put their 50% into it, and you will have the 100% out of it. But somehow you feel that maybe you are not prepared, maybe you don't want it right now. So I feel like you are going to have a huge chance of with the Ten of Wands as well. maybe you are going to lose the opportunity. You might take too long, and the other person might just walk away. Yeah, you are going to be taking too long to accept this offer, to accept, to give this connection a chance, to give this connection a second chance if somebody from the past is coming in your life. So I cannot emphasize enough that somebody has a huge chance of losing the opportunity to be in a relationship because of a wrong kind of attitude here. Then you're going to be like spying on them, why they are not coming back, why they are not reaching me back, why do they just be distant, why they are not working towards us or towards me now, because of your attitude, obviously. So it's like you're gonna feel like now maybe you want them, now maybe you love them, now maybe you just want to be with them. But when they were with you, you were kind of taking them for granted. So the energies could be reversed as well for some of you. Maybe for some of you, the person that you are missing now, or you will be missing, maybe they will be traveling towards the end of the month as well. So it can be your energy, it can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with. And then you're going to be like I really want to make it work, I really want to take this connection to the next level, I really want to go smooth, in terms of having a relationship with you. I really don't want to act as if, I really don't want to pretend something that I don't want. I really want to give this connection a second chance. But I do see the person that you are dealing with walking away for sure. I do see them walking away from you because of your wrong kind of attitude. And then I do see you feeling left alone again. You're going to, it's more like you are disappointing yourself, not the other person. And that's exactly what you're going to be feeling. As this person walks away, you're going to feel like, you have missed an opportunity. Plus, you're going to feel bad for yourself. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. You have definitely missed an opportunity there. Rebirth, reinvent yourself, give life to your dreams, create a new reality. You really have to change your mindset. Try to heal the past. Try to heal yourself. Try to heal yourself from the past. Try to reinvent yourself. Don't hold yourself back thinking like because so and so did this when you did this, so maybe I should not do this because maybe this person is also going to leave me or something. So don't act with that kind of mindset where you are thinking about the outcomes based on your past experiences, because that's something which is going to make you feel left alone again. Let's see more cards here. Magic, make a wish, believe in miracles, and magic surrounds you. You really have to believe that something sometimes whatever you make a wish about, it does come true like a miracle. And I feel like there was this miracle in your life, or there will be this miracle in your life, but you have a very strong chance of losing that miracle to your past patterns of dealing with situations, relationship. So if you want, you can definitely have what you have been praying for, but you really have to act like a different new you. If you do what you used to do, you are going to end up getting the same ending with the same person or with a new person as well. So you are going to be feeling left alone again. So don't repeat the mistake. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. For some of you, maybe you have been doing this all your life, and it's like, maybe the people used to chase you. The people used to come back to you and, make efforts. When it comes to this person, maybe, if you show them the drama, they are just going to run away. They are not going to make effort to stay in your life. They will just go. So just be mindful of that. Passion, allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. You really have to let your heart sing with joy. If something or somebody is, if there is somebody who stirs the, passionate feelings in you, just go with that. Don't hold yourself back, acting weird or pretending weird. Love who you are. You are divine, delightful, and deserving of the wonderful things life has to offer. You really have to be who you are, who you truly are. You really have to embrace that. If you are feeling a certain way for this person, or for any matter of fact, you really have to value that you, without holding yourself back. Let's see more cards here. Slow down, pause, and allow things to unfold. I would suggest, for those of you who are going to say a no to this person from the past or somebody from the new, you really have to, just don't give them a negative answer to the proposal, to the commitment offer, to the love offer, to the friendship offer. Just take things slow. Maybe you should not give in to it there and then, but see for yourself if this person is worthy of your time, your energy or not. And even when they walk out, even if they leave, don't get so, crazy around it. Don't feel like, okay, fine, it's over now. Maybe I can, maybe I just need to, start looking for a new person in my life or something around those lines. Just slow down a bit and try to, work on yourself first. You really need to heal yourself. Only then you will be able to have the kind of relationship that you desire in your life. um, Heal yourself, know that you can have the kind of relationship that you desire, but for that you really have to stop acting because of acting a certain way because of your past experiences with a certain so and so. So just be mindful of that and let things unfold naturally then. But first you really need to heal yourself. Let's see which color is going to be lucky for you. Gray. Learn to scan your body, number 29. um I feel like you can always sense whenever you are letting your past control you. You can always sense that there is a sense of fear. There is a sense of uh, unsettling energies within you, and I feel like your attitude towards this person, this situation, going to make you feel like there is something that you need to heal. So just be mindful of that vibe of yours. And if you could just just work on the fears, work on the things that make you feel chaotic from within, you can have the beautiful connection with this person who is entering in your life or who could be already in your life. It's just that you are taking a way too long to give into this connection. You can utilize this opportunity to be with that specific someone by giving into this connection and see for yourself how it goes. But for that, again, you really have to scan yourself, scan your body, scan the way you feel. Only then you will be able to make the right choice, and this energy is yet to come. I cannot emphasize enough, if we could work on the things that's gonna stop your fears, past behaviors, past patterns. If you could work on those things, you can have the beautiful beginning with this person, a magical beginning with this person. But healing is a must. Sian, build your confidence, number 35. You do have a lot of fears around love and relationships. I feel like you need to boost your confidence as well. Again, if you are fearful, then only you act like this, because you are thinking, maybe if I give in to this connection way too soon, maybe they are going to maybe take me for granted. Again, that thought itself is stemming out from the past experiences. So just be mindful of that. You really have to be yourself. You don't have to be a certain you just because the past relationships failed a certain way. Maybe you need to act a different you this time. No, you don't have to. When you are healed, when you know your true self, and when you own that true self of yours, you are ultimately going to attract the right kind of people who are going to value you, love you, respect you the way you are. You don't have to change yourself for anybody out there. So just be mindful of that. So yeah, there's my message coming up for you in the month of December. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.